Are you looking for the best car dash cameras? In this video, we will break down the top 4 car dash cameras on the market.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Rexing V1 Car Dash Cam. The Rexing Car Dash Cam is designed to blend in seamlessly with the car to keep your focus squarely on the road, as well as ensure that it doesn't look too obvious for other drivers. This model offers plenty of features to get excited about. One of them is the full HD recording, which ensures crystal clear images both day and night. Furthermore, the 170-degree lens achieves an incredibly wide angle, which manages to get nearly every inch of the road. For increased protection and driver safety, there's also accident auto detection. This will activate long before you've even realized something is up. This should offer a minor alert to allow you the ability to avoid possible accidents before they happen. Of course, this should allow everyone to make it to their destination with very few issues. At number 2. VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam. The VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam is one of the best dash cams on the market right now. This camera does just about anything you could want. It's a triple-channel camera that gives you 155 degrees of front view, 160 degrees of rear view, and 165 degrees of inside view to provide you with a very comprehensive picture in and around your vehicle. It's equipped with HD picture and audio to provide you with crystal clear footage. The 4K resolution is the latest technology and allows you to easily capture license plates and road signs for added accuracy. The adjustable camera gives you plenty of flexibility when it comes to viewing angles and options. At number 3. VANTRUE N2 Pro Dash Cam. Thorough folk and filmmakers alike are going to fall head over heels for this model. A contender for the best front and rear dash cam, this device allows you to record your windshield activity and your cabin, mounted perfectly to also record what goes on in the rear windshield. This is essential if you're the victim of a rear-ender fender bender and you need some concrete evidence. We can't say enough good things about this camera. For one, you get 2.5K quality, while your front and rear lens sit at 170 degrees and 140 degrees, respectively. Plug it into the cigarette lighter, and you're good to go. The odd placement of this, while convenient, means the cable dangles a little bit and has been known to be knocked out. Use with caution. At number 4. VANTRUE S1 4K Dash Cam. Some dash cams can be bulky and distracting, but not the VANTRUE S1 4K dash cam. It's one of the sleekest and most compact dash cams currently on the market. It's a front and rear camera that provides simultaneous footage of both ends of your vehicle. You get 170 degrees of front viewing and 160 degrees of rear viewing. You also have the option of selecting 4K 2880x 2160p at 24 fps or 1920x 1080p at 60 fps, both of which will provide you with crystal clear footage, even at higher speeds. The built-in GPS gives you the luxury of being able to see your live speed during driving. You can trace an exact driving route and location on Google Maps through Windows or iOS-compatible viewers. Sony Night Vision offers a decent f1.47 aperture lens and Sony Starvis CMOS to capture minute details in low-light conditions. It even automatically adjusts exposure to deliver the clearest images.